Good morning everyone. So we're back at the Insignia. Took us a week for the timing tools to arrive, but never mind. We're getting here now, so you can see there we've got a wee bit wedge timing tools in position. See if we can get a better shot of this. There we go. We've created these Tip-X dots. So see, get right down into there. You can see it's a funny angle this, but it's at 90 degrees. And this dot here is slightly raised on the inlet compared to the exhaust, so that's us in position there. And at the other end, you can see that the bar just slips there into the keyed bit on the cam. So there's my bar there, and there's that other one just right there, so that goes in there. Tight right enough, but never mind. So we're going to torque up the cams now. We've got to use a 24mm spanner. So my friend there took this spanner here and we've chopped the lugs off it, and it just goes in there. And you must use this to hold the cam because you can't use the tools, too much strain on the tools. So we'll torque them up and let you know how we go. So there you can see there, we've stripped out the belt and we've got the tester locking pin in there. There you go, just in the back. So you rotate this bit with an Allen key, 6mm Allen key, and that's it. Tester just sits at the back there. Quite a fiddly wee arrangement. There's the rest, and also show your crankshaft marks. Pull that thing back round this thing. That's it. There we go. That's our crankshaft marks at the bottom there. Everybody, that's it all back together. So we've just left the top cover off. So the belt's on, everything assembled, and believe me, this is the first start. So it's a bit of a nervous moment for our purchase. So right, Roddy, go for it, man. Ready? Ready. Okay. That's our steering pump noise. Good. I think we can call this a fix.